Good day. We are here to start talking about college level physics, the AP Physics Course 1, which lets us know about the kinematics and sound and so on without use of calculus, and learn about how things interact with each other, which is after all what physics does. Now, when we start to talk of how things interact with each other, we need to first think of where things are and where things will be. And that description has to be precise. How do we do it? For example, if you're home and your mother shouts, "Where are you, child?" you might answer, "In the den." When you answer "in the den," both you and your mother has a picture of your house in your mind. That is your reference frame. You might say, "I'm in the den." Suppose the den is in the first floor and your mother is in the kitchen and the den is to the southeast of the kitchen, you might say, "I'm 9 feet above you and 22 feet southeast of you." Both refer to the same location. The den as well as 9 feet above and 22 feet southeast refer to the same location, but they relate to different frames of reference. One refers to the map of the house you have in your mind, the local reference frame. The other refers to the map of the entire area around us, above, below, east, west, and so on, which is a global reference frame. It's actually, as time goes on, we will learn it's not actually global, it is still local, because east and west may have different meanings depending on where you are. We are in an approximation of a plane on a curved surface, which is there. The Earth is a sphere. So east and west, for example, if you are sitting on the North Pole, there is only one direction, south. There is neither east nor west. But that apart, it's certainly not as local as your house. So these are the reference frames. Once we understand what reference frame are we talking about, then we can talk to each other. It's very important that this forms the basis. And when you talk of "I'm in the den," maybe your one leg is on the corridor and you are just entering, but you will still say, "I'm in the den." What does this mean? What is you? When we think of an object, we think of an object as a point object with coordinates of that point representing the whole object. So it might, in your case, it might mean your head or your trunk or your major part of your body becoming the point object, and it is in the den. Okay? So we start off talking of particles. Particles have mass, have a location. And this is how we define a physical entity, particle, and we want to describe how the particle behaves. This is what we are going to see in the following hours. Okay? Have a good day. Thank you.